more importance about sports day.
Good morning, students. Good morning, students. I have two questions. Who is the current captain of India? Who is current captain of India? Okay. Who is current captain? I am saying. You can say. I was expecting some answer. See, Rohit Sharma. How many players are there? 12. 11. I know that you know the names of all the players. I know that you know the captain of all the countries. But do you know who is the current captain of hockey? अरे मेजर ध्यानचंद को जाकर 30-40 साल हो रहे. Who is the captain of hockey? See, hockey is our national game and we don't know who is the captain of hockey. कितनी गर्व की बात है, हाँ? And no one knows from 300 students, more than 300 students. Hockey is our national game. The name of the captain is Harmanpreet Singh. How many players are there in hockey? How many players are there in hockey? 11. Okay. In 2012, the Indian government, Honorable Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, he declared that 29th of August, birth anniversary of Major Dhyanchand will be celebrated as National Sport Day. He was born 29th of August 1905. Okay, you know his name is Major Dhyanchand, but what is their Chand? He used to practice hockey under the moonlight. चांद के प्रकाश में वो प्रैक्टिस करते थे, इसीलिए उनके साथियों ने उन्हें नाम दिया चंद्र और बाद में हो गया वो मेजर ध्यानचंद. मेजर मीन्स ही वाज इन द आर्मी, ओके, एंड ही वाज द मेंबर ऑफ द हॉकी टीम हु वन 3 consecutive पैरा ओलंपिक 1928, 1932, 1936. 3 consecutive. There was a second world war, that's why that 36 Olympic, maybe due to that they did not participate. But when there was a game was going on, that time the Tansha of that Germany, Adolf Hitler, he came to watch the match and he saw the shoes, dress of the Indian players and he was laughing to them. He said they doesn't have proper shoes, proper uniform, how they will win against us. And in the first hour they were back, and after a few minutes there was a rain, and now he thought that they don't have the shoes, so they will not win. But the Dhyanchand asked all the teammates to remove the shoes, और उनको पता है ये भारतीय है, बिना शूज के तो बहुत अच्छे से खेलते. And within 1 hour they won the match. एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद. Next day Hitler called to Dhyanchand in his office, and by looking at his clothes, his shoes, he offered him, I will give you a very big job in Germany in military, and I will appoint you. You have to play for us. So he rejected that job. He said, ऐसे सही 100 जॉब मैं कुर्बान करता हूँ अपने देश के लिए. I will not play for your country, I will play for my country. In the Germany, his statue is there. On that statue, 4 hands and 4 hockey sticks. Once there was a match was going on, but Dhyanchand was unable to score a goal. So suddenly his teammate came and asked, what happened today? कुछ problem है क्या है? So Dhyanchand said, there is no problem in my game, there is a problem in net. जहाँ पर आपका नेट गोल रखा है वहीं पे कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है, एंड दे मेजर, तो कुछ तो मीटर का डिफरेंस वहाँ पर दिखा. So he was awarded in 1956 with Padma Bhushan award, and he died in 1979, and still we are asking to give him Bharat Ratna. Okay, so on this occasion I will take my leave. Thank you.